everybody. We are about half a mile north of, half a mile south of Lambert Meadows Shelter. Again, there, and so I didn't want to. Already kind of shared a little bit about her, so I didn't want to ask her, or even if she'd agreed, kind of put her face on there because some of that stuff is personal, and I don't think it's healthy to have her face in social media with the problems she's going through. But anyways, interesting night. Really, obviously someone who's dealing with a lot in her life and was sharing a lot more than I would with somebody I just met. And that kind of shows, just how troubled she is. But I guess as I sat there thinking about it, or this half mile I was walking out of camp, I was thinking, I was kind of paralleling that with losing the knife, if you will. And kind of by that, I mean, I was carrying that knife like it was a defensive instrument, when in reality, I just need it as a tool of utility here. I think there's very little chance of someone attacking me, but I guess due to my military background, I'm always thinking that people are going to attack me. But I guess the thing I need to really evaluate in my mind is where's my call to humanity, and where is my call to defend and protect, and which way do I lean on them? I think, again, because my background, I have more of a tendency to defend and protect, when maybe I need to be more understanding, I guess. So I don't know. I'm not at a point of really understanding. I guess I'm just sharing with you what I'm kind of mentally wrestling with today. So that's it. As you can see, it's a little foggy. I chose not to wear the rain gear. It's not a little bit of drizzle here and there, but I guess I'm being optimistic on the weather. Right now, we're about a mile from Tinker Cliff, so hopefully the weather breaks. I don't know if it'll break in that, but as well, we go to McAfee Knob, which many of you know is one of the most photographed sites in Virginia. It's where the rock ledge actually protrudes out, and you can walk out on a protruding ledge, and so hopefully we get a break in the weather, and we can really appreciate those two sites. We'll see. But right now, I guess we took our hoodie off because it was a little too hot, and now we're ready to hike on. So let's hike on. Pretty cool little centerpiece for a trail juncture. But there's no looking back on this hike, so Tinker Cliffs, 0.5 miles. Again, hopefully we get a break in the fog. We'll see. trail. And here we are, if you take one wrong step, down about, I don't know, 80 feet, 100 feet, I don't know, a ways. So message being, stay on the trail. So we're on top of Tinker Cliffs, and it's foggy, and so there's no real view. But we are reminded that spring is here, and the daffodils are blooming. So it is definitely Daffodil Day on Tinker Cliffs, but it's definitely not viewing day on Tinker Cliffs. So. Oh well, we've had a lot of great views, and it'd be awesome to have one or two more, but we may not get them. Although again, for those of you afraid of heights, don't come near the edge of Tinker Cliff. Oh well, can't win them all. Let's hike on. Ramen. Every college kid's main staple. Every hiker's instant carbs. So here we are at the Campbell shelter. And yeah, pretty much the same size as most all of them. The difference is this one has a pretty big little platform in the front. And then the normal fire pit area, picnic table, privy, and the water is like 1/10 of a mile away down that trail. Very easy walk, very good water source. So we're not staying here. We just stopped and had lunch here, and we're gonna move on, but just show you If you're another hiker coming through the area and you're thinking about staying at Campbell, they do have all that, and they do have a bear box. So anyways, we're about to move out. As you can see, while we were eating lunch, the sun came out and the fog started to clear. So we may be good for McAfee knob, which is awesome. So let's hope for the best. We're only like a mile away. And so hopefully it'll all work out and we get to experience one of the most photographed areas on the AT in Virginia. So let's hike on. Okay, we are not at McAffee's knob yet, but we're on a ledge about 1/10 of a mile from it, and we came to this view, and it's spectacular, especially considering when we started today we were just buried in fog and thought we were going to have no views. This is awesome. Still fog, as you see, it's still lifting. I don't know, we may get more, but for right now we're just gonna cherish what we have here. Man, so cool. The trail provides. We thought we were gonna see nothing, and now we're seeing just an incredible view. But let's go to what we really came up here to do. McAfee's knob. Yeah. And doesn't that make for just a great pathway? Ay, ay, ay. Hard to make miles when you're rock hopping, but that's okay. We're doing good. We are we've traveled, I think, about 3 miles since McAfee Knob, and so if we're going to make it to the hostel, we've got we're about 6 more miles to go, and it's I think around 4 o'clock, so we should be good. We'll see. Let's hike on and find out. Well, here's something we haven't seen in quite a while. Walking through an open field. Feels kind of nice because, quite honestly, the last 4 miles have put a hurting on me. That was a lot of up and down, up and down, up and down. And so just to be Just glad to be out of that. We have right about 2 more miles to go. So I think we got it now. But we got to keep hiking on, so let's hike on. Well, there's the ones that really own this space. We're just passing through. Huh? Carry on, fellas. We're just passing through. Well, everybody, we made it to the hostel, 4 Pines Hostel, and we took a shower. That was number 1. We ate a double cheeseburger from a gas station down the road. Was exceptional. The fries left a lot to be desired, but the cheeseburger was awesome. Now we're in the process of trying to wash our clothes. Wash machine doesn't really work well, but I think it'll work better than nothing. So, good day. Didn't get to see the Tinker Cliffs view, but did get to see the McAfee Knob view, and hopefully we all agree that was pretty awesome. So, all in all, 17 miles, and so good movement day. We'll go ahead and sleep here tonight. Hopefully, get clothes washed, got ourselves washed, and go to the local store tomorrow and refurb. I think we need about 4 to 5 days to make it to Parisburg. And so I think we can get that done with the local market here. And so if all that works out, we should be back on the road tomorrow at midday. So we'll see. Anyways, I'm going to take care of other things I need to refit. And so hopefully you enjoyed the day and look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Good night.